And the Bloom's taxonomy here, this is the type or level of questions. For knowing and remembering, this is only suitable for the ordinary exams that we are doing. And the student to ask it will be recall knowledge of subject matter relevant to discussion. And the example of question will be what, where, who, when, where, how many, list, describe, define. For understanding level, just above the level of knowing, it will be asked demonstrate understanding by constructing meaning from information in your own word. Explain how, okay? What did X mean when? Give an example of. Applying, you will apply knowledge and understanding to particular task or problem. How would you use? What example can you find to? How would you solve using what you've learned? What would happen if? Okay, this is applying. And analyzing. Examine different concepts and make distinction between them. Examine different concepts and make distinction between them. What are the part or feature of? What are the competing argument with? Why X is different to Y? Compare and contrast. What is the relationship between A and B? Evaluating, the student will make judgment about concept or idea. What is the most important or effective? Which method is best? Which is strongest argument? This is for the evaluation. And creating, it means creating new ideas from what they know and understand. How would you design something? What alternatives are there too? What changes would you make? What would happen if also? And suppose you could, what you would do? And how would you evaluate? Can you formulate a theory? Okay, these are any questions about these exams? Any question? Oh, okay, it's clear. Okay, okay then. This type of a question, usually we can associate with rubrics. No, Iman? Okay. Okay, there is no question. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. And we will try to create a questions, a test now. Assessment. Okay, to create tests from here, course tools, test survey and pools, create test. Okay, exam availability exceptions, yes. Yes. And what I will create here, an open book exam, for example. I have already this exam, edit. Okay. This is the question. It is an essay type. Okay. I will create something similar. Okay. Build test. Okay. Final exam, and it will be an open text book. There is a description here and instruction, and click submit. Now I will create questions for this final exam. We have this type. You can go for essay, or you can go for file response. Okay. And you have what we call short answer. Short answer also the same way. Let's go for file or essay. Let's go for essay. Okay. This is the question text here. Okay, this is the question for the essay. I will close this one. Okay. This is the question, keep formatting. Okay. And enter an answer to provide an example of correct response. Okay. You can put an answer here. It's only an example. Okay. It's only an example. Okay, let's put this answer. What is this? Where I put it? Here. Okay, fine. And now you can add the rubric here. Since it is an essay, you can add a rubric. Select rubric. Okay, I have created a special rubric here for the essay. I will select it, and I will give the student the possibility to see the rubric before submitting his exam. And I can click now on submit. Okay. What I have done here is I have created this exam. I will click on OK. Okay. Till now, only what I have done now is the creation of the exam. Okay. Now I have to deploy the exam into a content area. I will deploy it in assessment here. In exams, I will add a new exam test. Okay, I have this exam, final exam, and click on submit. I am deploying the exam now. You can provide an optional description here for your exam and instructions also. And I will make it available to student, yes. Add a new announcement for this test, yes, I will add a new announcement. Multiple attempt, no. For the test, we will not allow multiple attempts. We will not allow multiple attempts for the test. And forced completion, no. I will not go for forced completion. Maybe the student, he will have any problem with his computer or desktop, and if the computer is stuck, then he can reboot his computer and complete the exam. Then don't tick this option. And you can give him a timer. Yes, I will give him a timer. Okay. And auto submit when finished. Yes, auto submit. Yes, I have to display after and display until. Yes. Yes, I will put this option. I have to fill in these options. Okay. And okay. And I can give a password also. Yes, you have to give a password required to access this test. Yes. Okay. And you can add user or group if you wish. Okay. If you are doing the exam for a special student, okay, resetting the exam only, then you can add this student here. A due date, we don't need for due date for the exams. It's only for the assignment and other type of evaluation. No, we will not go for a due date. And include the test and grade center. Yes, I will include. Yes, after submission. Okay, I will not allow the score for submission after. Only when graded, for example. After attempt are graded. Okay. When the result, show the result and feedback to student, it will be after attempt are graded, the test result and feedback will be available student after all students enrolled into the course are graded. Okay. And I finished with this. Okay. You have the test presentation. Present the entire test on one screen, or it is better to once at a time. And I prefer one at a time, not all the questions one. And if you wish, you can prohibit it by tracking, if you wish. And randomize the questions. Yes, I prefer to randomize the questions. Okay, to minimize the possibility of cheating. And I can click off submit. When you click on submit, you save all this and your exam is now ready for the student. Okay, I will click on submit. Okay, I have now final exam ready for the student.